Hello, 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 and thanks for dropping in. We have something a little unique today. We're looking inside an 8050 disk drive. And I'm outside, actually working at the hood of the car, and I feel just the slightest hint of rain, but not really. Just it's humid, it's hot. No, it's not that hot, it's just humid. Anyway, there's the circuit board over the drive. What is that? Oh, that's drive 1. And that's drive 1. Well, that's unusual. Oh well. Anyway, there's the power supply, the capacitors, the upper circuit board. Yes, it is. And now the lower part of the drive. I just got this. I have not plugged it in. Although, no, sorry, it is plugged in, but I have not flipped the switch. Let us be brave. 1, 2, 3. Well, I didn't see, but there's definitely some sort of error light, I think, unless that's just the power thing. Let me look here. No, both drive lights are on. That is not necessarily good. Let's try that again, see if there's any flickering. Oh yeah, there's a flash code there. Oh, but it's different this time. Now it's green. And now they're on. Or now those other ones are off. Maybe being dormant for so many years, it just needed a little blast. By the way, that's the head. For any of you that are afraid about cleaning the head, don't be afraid. There it is. Q-tip, or as my overseas people found out, an alcohol wipe from a first aid kit is also perhaps acceptable. Now, if it's the other drive, in this case, that drive, it's a lot more challenging to get at the head. I think I'm going to turn this off one more time. I heard a bit of a squeak when I did that, which is not unusual when dealing with the pet, but not with a disk drive. Let's see. No squeak. Maybe it's okay. I don't know. I'm in the midst of gathering the pets, and this was an unexpected thing that came up. So, you know, who knows? Maybe I'll put it in the pet room, maybe up on the mantle, to fill the frame as they do in TV shows and movie things. Anyway, looks okay. By the way, of course, at the side, just like on the pet, there's the little arm, kind of like you would find on a car to keep the hood open. And this thing, I think, probably fell off the bottom of one of the drives. It's so that you can have a look at the speed, probably with a strobe light. Anyway, thanks for coming and looking at this. Oh, I'm not sure I can do this. Maybe I can. 8050 Commodore disk drive. Bye for now. Hello. Along with an 8050 disk drive, there's nothing as good or as useful, or, you know, they all went together, as a 2040, which undoubtedly has been upgraded to being a 4040. There's the two drives, one on top of the other. The 2040 has its screws inside. I don't think it has any discs. It does not. It does not. I have this plugged in, but I've not turned it on. I decided I'd do this outside, because you never know. There could be smoke, but I don't think so. The other thing that this one has on the back is an extra switch, probably to swap the device number. because that's what we did in the old days. We violated the warranty for a device number switch. Anyway, it's plugged in. Let's just put the phone kind of close here and see what we see or hear. Oh yeah, that's the sound of a happy drive, or at least somewhat happy. I don't know if you could hear the chatter. Maybe I'll try to get a little closer, and we'll do that again. I've got the drive door open. I'll make sure I'm close at hand. Oh, what happened there? Oh, well, when you turn on the 8050 instead of the 4040, guess what? Nothing happens with the 4040. Oh yeah, that sounds good. So they spin for a little, and then they stop. So, it would seem, possibly, that both of these are okay. We'll see more and explore more when we get inside, which I must do before the rain comes. So thanks for dropping in. By the way, the 2040 and the 4040, I mean, everybody upgraded them, so it's a 4040, it's just what it says on the front. And somewhere there was a 3040, and da-da-da-da. Anyway, all kinds of model numbers. Basically, you know, same thing. And of course, the 2040 and the 4040 and the 3040 or whatever were the same, almost identical formats of the 1541, although everybody always says, don't write to discs that were formatted on the 4040 on the 1541. Because little by little, there could be something that happens. But, you know. Most people, if they have club discs or other things, they load them in, they look at them, they ponder them, and, you know, not many people write back to them, because usually they're pretty full. Anyway, enough for now. I must get these things inside. Thanks for coming. Stay tuned. Bye for now. Oh, try that again. Bye for now.